Claire at Kanen Coffee. We've just done a lap of Renault tune-up. We've changed some gaskets inside the head, gaskets along the back steam wand, pulled the head out, gave everything a good clean, lubricated things, changed the sight glass here, the glass inside and also the case around, changed gaskets up in the top and the bottom there to make sure none of that leaks. That's all good. And now we're ready to do a test. So we're just going to do a bit of steam first. We don't have the portafilter, so we're just going to do a run through of water. So here's the steam. That's good. And then we're just going to run some water through the head. There we go. Just running through the head nicely, not leaking around the edge, looking good. That's all the way to the top. And then the handle goes down. And that's all looking good. Great.